Hello, my name is Alexey. In previous video tutorial, we create responsive multi-language online store from scratch and upload it to the hosting. In my blog, there are free video lessons about different objects for website X5. In this video tutorial, we will work with several objects: title, animated headlines, skill bar, this is a paid object, and PayPal donation. Let's start with title. Let's see it on mobile devices. We can apply some effects, for example, rotation, as you can see, we can change styles, and also we can set link. We can set any action, add tooltip. I'll just set link for homepage. This is our homepage. This is very interesting option. Let's check it and see. On mobile devices, the font become much more smaller. I prefer do not enable this option. Now let's see how work this option. First of all, let's see our page in Mozilla Firefox and check the code. As you can see, there is no header text. This is just a text, this is a link. Now let's change this from none to H1 and see the result in Mozilla Firefox. As you can see, now we have H1, closing H1, so this is H1 header. This may be useful for SEO. You can change to H2. And here is H2. Let's see another website X5 object called animated headlines. For example, website X5, tutorial, and add some animation text. Let's change font styles. So here we can see this animation. We can change the animation and also we can change headline tag. It works like in previous one. Let's see source code. So here is our tag h4. Next object, skill bar, is paid object. I already bought it. Here we can set percentage or max value. We can change some font styles and color styles. Now let's just copy this object and change bar styles. Let's increase font size. Let it be white. Let's see another bar style. It's called pin. And the last bar style will be rounder. In previous video tutorial, we already work with donation box called donor box. Now let's see another donation object, PayPal donation. You need to specify recipient name, recipient email address. This is the address of your PayPal account. Also, you need to specify donation purpose. You can change some styles, change currency, change button style, and if we look to preview, we cannot see how does this object works because we need to upload our website to hosting. Let's do that. As you can see, I upload this site to my test hosting, and if you specify valid PayPal data, you can donate. As I specified data just for testing, I cannot complete payment, but if you specify valid data, then your users can donate some money to your purpose. In next video, we'll talk about useful objects and settings that will help you in site creation.